Hello everybody and welcome back to another 019 of his video. And today is day 7! Yay! Day 7! And that means we've got 4 days till Dracon opening day. Oh my golly gosh, it is so close. But today we are going to be doing Storm Chaser. So, Storm Chaser opened in 2021, located inside of Tornado Springs, and it is manufactured by Valguard. And this is of course a family spinning coaster and a clone of Sierra Sidewinder at Not Very Farm. Yes. So it has a height of 64 to 65.6 feet, a track length of 1,505 feet, top speed of 36.9 miles per hour, tallest drop of 12.5 meters, steepest drop of 34 degrees, maximum g-force of 33 g's, and ride duration approximately 1 minute and 56 seconds, with 0 inversions. And of course it is themed to American Desert Tornado Chasing. Yay! And the riders board spinning tornado collected in a fictional town of Tornado Springs. Yay! Right, I just recorded the Farmyard Flyer one. I need to. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.